Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Unboxing Express. I have just two gadgets to unbox today. Especially, I just came back from Hong Kong. I arrived early this morning. Okay, so here we go. An iPod Universal dock and an iPod Classic. I bought this for 449 Hong Kong dollars. I bought it for 1,888 Hong Kong dollars. Okay, let's start with the iPod Classic. This is the 160 gigabyte model as seen here. So let's open this one up. Though this is not a true unboxing. I opened this one before, and I removed the wrapping on the store because we need to check if there's physical damage. There's the unit, and set this one aside. There is some paraphernalia here. Designed by Apple in California. How original. Let's open this file up. Okay. We have here a quick start guide. Product information. And who wants these? Just kidding. Apple stickers. Okay, next we have a dock connector, some earphones, shitty earphones, and a dock adapter. Okay. The unit is okay. I mean, I still haven't have music yet in here, so I'm just gonna sync it up later, okay? So I'm not gonna remove it with the plastic because I'm just gonna remove it right now. Okay. Next up is the universal dock. I have to buy this because my first year classmates gave me my flower. Eventually, I don't have the appropriate materials to make it work. Of course, an aux jack is required. It came free. But I was really concerned that I need a dock. So, what's this? Dock adapters. Sorry about that. They're actually adapters numbered to 9 to 17. Right? Yes, 9 to 17. What that 9 to 17 was, here we go. Right here. 5th generation, 30 gigabyte, iPod Classic, 8120. Yeah. This is the 160, it's just the one size. Okay? Number 10 is for the 5th generation iPod 6080 and the original 160 Classic. Number 12 is for the original iPhone. Number 13 is for the iPod Nano 3rd generation. Number 14 is for the first generation iPod Touch. Number 15 is for the iPhone 3G and 3GS. iPod Touch second generation right here. And the fourth and fifth generation iPod Nano here. Okay. Here's the remote. Here's the dock. But if I open the thing right here, it's actually product information and things. Yeah, I don't need that. Okay, so let's open up Universal remote. Perfect. I keep this handy. And here's the dock. Nice, right? So nice and pretty. iPod. Oh. Designed by Apple in California. Original. Okay. That's it. That's my unboxing for today. See you next time.